In fact, it is the Industrial Revolution that has shaped up the kind of clothes people wear all over the world. Now, you will wonder how. You see, before the Industrial Revolution, people actually stayed at one place and they were self-confined, meaning to say whatever was easily available, they used to eat and wear only that. But with Industrial Revolution, things started to be being exported and imported. And this also led to a drastic change in the style of wearing of the people all over the world. Due to Industrial Revolution, not only did the things reach from one place to another, but also the migration became much more, which meant that the people went to another country, liked a particular kind of dressing, or they adopted to a particular style of wearing clothes, and when they came back, it was adopted by other people too. So, this Industrial Revolution is the major factor which has made all the changes that have come about in the changes which have occurred in the style of wearing clothes. Now, let us look at the important personalities of this particular chapter. First is Sir M. Visavaraya. He was a great engineer technocrat and he belonged to Mysore, and in fact, he was the person who made three-piece suit popular in the Mysore district. Next is Governor General Amherst. Governor General Amherst in fact felt that the British were superior to the Indians, and as a mark of respect, the Indians should not wear shoes in front of their European masters. Of course, not liked by the Indians. Next, Lord Dalhousie. Lord Dalhousie also said the same as Amherst, and he was much against the Indians wearing shoes in the government institutions, whether it was office or it was the court or any other place. Manakji Kawasji NT. He was in fact the assessor of the Mysore Faujdari case, and he defied Lord Dalhousie's order that he should not be wearing shoes in the court. He wore them, and in fact, he was the one who told the Britishers that they too stand equivalent to them and have all the rights to wear a particular style of cloth or wear shoes wherever they felt like. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore believed that a mixture of both Indian and European style would be an ideal wearing dress for the Indians, and this gave birth to Chapkan. It's a long buttoned coat which is worn by the men, made popular by Rabindranath Tagore. Next is Gyanandani Devi. She was the wife of Satyendranath Tagore and the first Indian member of the ICS. She wore a particular style of sari in a Parsi style, which was later called as the Brahmika style and was worn by the Parsi women all over. Next is Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon partitioned Bengal in 1905 because he felt that Bengal was the center of all the revolutionaries. So, to break their unity, he partitioned Bengal. But this led to what? Led to in fact the movement called as the Swadeshi and boycott. Wear your own clothes and boycott the British cloth. So, this is creating social clothing history.